Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't open any website on a browser for Nokia 9 PureView. And to do this, let's open our Google Chrome, and also as you can see I have a Wi-Fi network enabled and it's connected, but we have this error on any website that we try to reach. And to fix this, go back and open settings. Here scroll down for the system, enter date and time, and enable use network provided time. Here we can open a browser again and try to reach any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.